A quick update on quant here. So QNT. Let's see what QNT is doing. We've been watching QNT, as you guys know, on the monthly chart here, just because it tells a better story. I felt like I say the same thing all the time, but it needs to be heard, I guess, because for a long time, ACH was going down and sideways forever. And here on the monthly chart, you can clearly see that's because it's been trading in this very large triangle pattern here. And every time it comes up here with a monthly candle, it gets stuck either with a wick or with a candle body here. So we really need to get a monthly candle close over this trend line here, and then we'll be in business for QNT to start moving to these higher targets here. Now, zooming into the weekly chart really quick here, let me go ahead and pull this up. I believe I pointed this out last time, but if you go from the most recent low here to the high, you can see we've been holding very bullish on the 618 here. So as long as you're over this 84.5 level, we are good to go here, in my opinion, on quant. And it's all going to depend on what the market's going to do. Also, if we have another crash in the market, things like QNT here could easily come back down to the 786, 236, and even back down to the trend here. So just keep that in mind on quant. If it does that, then you get another chance to buy in. I think anything under $80 or $70 on QNT is still of a price, in my opinion. But as of right now, like I just showed you, we're holding that 618 on the smaller time frames almost perfectly. It looks good. And we are below the 382 once again. So if we can get back over 100, long-term macro-wise high to the low, you would be back to being bullish back over 100. So maybe if we get the price up here above this and getting squeezed from the trend, maybe that'll tell us this thing's about to break to the upside here. And the other big thing, of course, is where's QNT going to end up here in 2025 once we finally get things rolling along? You can clearly see we do have a couple of targets here we always look at. The $1,000 range, the pretty much $2,000 range, and then of course the $4,500 to $5,000 range. So I think all good levels to take profit this run. Up here to the 1414, you can see 1100 here would be about a almost 13x, and then 1800 to 2000, that would get you your 20x, up to possibly about a 23x. And then if you're in the camp, like I keep saying, of a $5,000 possible plus coin, then that's where you get into the 50x territory here. 50x up to 4,465 there on QNT. And if you want a very conservative price, we have 800 here for that first 1272 retracement level, and that would give you a little over a 9x on QNT. So of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts on quant? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.